Hey you guys, it's Naturally Ann here and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, please be sure that you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And if you've been here before, welcome back, me and more. So glad to have you here. Thank you for watching, subscribing. Thank you for tuning in. Please be sure to leave a big old thumbs up on this video and still share it with your friends and things like that. In this video I'm going to be doing finger coils and they came out beautifully, I must say so myself. For the products that I use, you're gonna have to watch all the way to the end. I know the video's so long. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? Nothing. You're gonna watch it all the way to the end, because guess what, you ain't got nothing better to do. You're sitting at home and your life is passing you by and you're wondering,
maybe I should watch the video today.
Maybe I should watch the video tomorrow.
Maybe I shouldn't even finish it at all. But you should. And you will, and you're gonna enjoy it, and you're gonna try this hairstyle and you're gonna love it, and you're gonna look great, and I'm gonna see the picture on Instagram and I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna see the picture on Twitter and I'm gonna like it. You know why? Because you're gonna tag me. Okay, that's the goals that I want. Like, that's the point, that's the relationship I want us to have, me and my subscribers, okay? Like, tag me when you try any hairstyle that I do. Tag me when you try any dance that I do. Like, oh my goodness, one of my friends did my no guidance dance and she tagged me on Instagram and that made my whole entire day. And that happened like 3 months ago. And it still makes my day today. But anyway, if you guys are interested in how I did my hair like this and the products that I use, keep on watching this video all the way until the end and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.
Wait till forevermore.